Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly join our family by subscribing. If you're returning study, thank you so much, you're the best. So guys, I recently downloaded a new app. It's called Eventbrite. It kind of shows you what events are happening around your area and around areas you're interested in. So as a result of Eventbrite, I was able to get to know about this event called the Silent Book Club. It was at Arboretum. So we met up, we all had different reads, and we just read the books and then got to discuss and just understand each other's line of thought and just appreciate it. So I hope you enjoy this content. Do share, like, and subscribe. So guys, getting to the Arboretum was a bit of an adventure. So I first started out by getting a Jav to town, and then from town I got I think it's a number 46. It dropped me off at the Serena Hotel just opposite side of the road. So I crossed the road, got to Serena, and then got a bike that took me to the Arboretum. Like the views were so scenic, it was beautiful. Like it was so calm, it was so relaxing. I really appreciated this. Guys, you already know that Arboretum, well, State House, the property is just before Arboretum, so you have to pass by that before you get to Arboretum. It was so cute, but then I was like, oh my god, if I get shot, probably like in the ass for filming, private presidential property. Oh my god, wouldn't it be so weird though. Luckily, we survived. No shots were fired. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are at the Arboretum. I have this silent book club event. Okay, your own book. I carried one book. Yeah, anyways, let's see how this will go. So this is me enjoying my amazing cat walks. Moments before it rained and my shoes turned from white to a very deep red. But genuinely, other than the mud, it's a really good place to just go chill, maybe have like friend picnic, or like just go and chill with like maybe your significant other. It's a really nice place. Plus they also do have trails if you're looking to maybe like go for a jog. Guys, halfway in I realized I was wearing my Nikes instead of boots. But anyway, at least it's grass over here, so it's not so bad. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak this, that mean we're through. Don't like sneaky shit that you do. Here's everyone's reads. Okay, listen to me. So I've seen Raddison Blue Arboretum on TikTok. It looked nice. But real life, yo, it was giving. So my love, we finally came to the end of this vlog. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.